Ray White Coffs Harbour is proud to introduce 23 109 Ocean Parade. Come with us and be impressed by the penthouse, plus the entire roof space. Positioned in the iconic beachfront complex, the benchmark for oceanfront living on the city's Park Beach Strip, complete with a large swimming pool. The entry flows into a designer kitchen and dining, with the lounge opening onto the balcony with ocean views. Experience a sense of enrichment and a feeling of belonging to the pristine coastline. Master with ensuite, finished in marble flooring, with ceiling fans and northerly view window to the ocean. The other two bedrooms are double in size, offering uninterrupted views to the sparkling Pacific Ocean and jetty precinct. This penthouse has a unique 100% ownership of the entire rooftop, enjoying 360-degree views of the hinterland and Solitary Islands Marine Park, just ready for your dreams and aspirations to create your personal sky zone. All this meters walk from the beautiful Park Beach and crystal clear waters of Beach Reserve, and only minutes drive to the CBD, Park Beach Plaza and the regional airport. For further information or to book a viewing, please contact Ray White Coffs Harbour.